If your Epic Games library is showing a game as unavailable, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get things working again. This issue can happen for different reasons, including network problems, corrupted DNS cache, or even an account region mismatch. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without reinstalling everything or contacting support right away. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and PC tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, we're going to start with a network reset on your computer. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This step is important because the commands we're about to use need administrator access to work properly. Once Command Prompt opens, type ipconfig/FlushDNS and press Enter. What this does is clear your DNS cache, which can help if Epic Games is loading outdated network information or having trouble connecting to the right servers. After that, type netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. This command resets the Windows Network Socket catalog, which can fix connection issues that may be affecting Epic Games availability. Once both commands have run, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. A full restart is important here because it allows Windows to apply the network changes properly. After your PC restarts, open your browser and go to your Epic Games account settings. It's better to do this in an external web browser rather than through the launcher because the account page is easier to manage directly. Once you're signed in, look for the Account Information section or the Personal Details section. Inside that area, check the country or region field. This is a very important setting because if your Epic Games account region does not match your physical location, some games or store content can show up as unavailable. If the country or region is incorrect, update it so it matches your current home country. Make sure you choose the right location carefully because regional settings can affect store access and account behavior. After saving the changes, refresh the page and confirm that the update was applied successfully. Then go back and launch Epic Games again to see if the unavailable game issue is gone. In many cases, simply fixing the DNS, resetting Winsock, and correcting the account region is enough to solve the problem. If you still see the game unavailable after that, give it a few minutes, sign out and sign back in, and check again after the account changes sync. These small steps often make a big difference. So to quickly recap, you first open Command Prompt as administrator, ran ipconfig/FlushDNS, ran netsh Winsock restarted your PC, and then checked your Epic Games account region in the account settings. Once that region matches your real location, your library should have a much better chance of loading properly. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.